So you want to chop those, put those to the side, and if you're just chopping them into small little slices, what you want to do is take an already sliced slice or cut a slice fresh. This is how you mince them the small way. Slice and dice. They come off square, like a Ghirardelli. That's what I do. I call it the fish bone. Now you got a whole barrage of tasty, tangy onion. Then so you need probably just a little more, so I'm not gonna take a big portion of the onion. Just a slice, let it pre-slice itself. And it's in rocket science, y'all. It's just an onion. Simply how to cut an onion. Now I ain't no chef or nothing, but I do hit that kitchen. It's good to learn some techniques. And that should be just about enough onions to do the job for what we're doing the job for. Stay tuned for the next how-to, y'all.